Hi everyone, my name is Junior, and I want to share my experience with the infinite energy system. Before I discovered this amazing product, my electricity bill was through the roof. I was spending hundreds of dollars every month on energy, and I knew there had to be a better way. That's when I stumbled upon the infinite energy system. This step-by-step guide showed me how to install an affordable and eco-friendly source of electricity in my home. I didn't have to spend a fortune on expensive equipment or hire a professional to do the installation. The guide gave me all the information I needed to create a reliable energy generator right in my own home. Now, you might be wondering, does the infinite energy system really work? The answer is a resounding yes. I've been using this system for several months now, and my electricity bill has dropped dramatically. I'm saving so much money every month, and I feel good knowing that I'm doing my part for the environment. So, is the infinite energy system worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for an affordable and sustainable source of electricity for your home, this is the way to go. And for those of you wondering where to buy the infinite energy system, it can only be purchased on the official website. I've included a link in the description and the first pinned comment below, so be sure to check it out. Now, who is the infinite energy system for? It's for anyone who wants to save money on their energy bills and reduce their carbon footprint. Whether you're a homeowner or a renter, this guide is easy to follow and can be adapted to any living situation. In conclusion, I highly recommend the infinite energy system to anyone who wants to take control of their energy usage and make a positive impact on the environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope my experience with this product has been helpful to you.